Let me ask you a question. Do you know what cerebral palsy is? Well, if you don't know, this video will tell you. I'll start with the brain. Cerebral palsy is caused by abnormalities in the white matter component of the brain. These abnormalities can be caused by abnormal developments in the brain, bleeding in the brain, a lack of oxygen, or a harmful infection. When these happen in the upper motor neurons, symptoms of cerebral palsy appear. The upper motor neurons are mainly responsible for the movement of limbs. The time frame cerebral palsy can first take hold is from 3 weeks after conception, when the first steps in brain development occur, to 5 years of age. Before the age of 5, the brain is fragile and susceptible to the causes of cerebral palsy. A more developed brain can deal with more damage more effectively. This is why Evel Knievel didn't get cerebral palsy from getting concussions when he crashed. Next, let's look at something small, like a neuron. Cerebral palsy is caused when groups of neurons, or when the myelin sheaths of neurons are damaged. The myelin sheath covers the axon part of the neuron. The axon is a skinny structure and responsible for the propagation of action potentials. Action potentials are the signals the brain sends to parts of the body to make them move. Action potentials traveling through the axon will slow down and fizzle out if they are not amplified. The neuron amplifies the action potentials through voltage-gated sodium ion channels. These channels are located in the nodes of Ranvier. In this simplified version, you'll see the process. First, an action potential triggers the opening of the sodium ion gate. Then, positively charged sodium ions rush through the channel because of its concentration gradient, and proceeds to essentially amplify the action potential. The myelin sheath is important because unlike voltage gates, which cause the action potential to move very slow, the sheath allows rapid propagation. When the myelin sheaths of the upper motor neurons are affected by the causes of cerebral palsy, certain symptoms will occur. These symptoms of cerebral palsy are different for everybody. It may affect individual limbs or all four. These limbs can be affected by a variety of symptoms, including hypertonia, which is tight or hard to stretch muscles, an abnormal gait or walk, characterized by inward knees, or a scissor walk in which the legs cross over one another while walking. Contractures, when joints are stiff or may not be able to open all the way. Jackknifing, when wanting to move a joint, it is very hard to move it first, but then there is a very sudden release. Muscle weakness or paralysis. A decrease in learning and intelligence is common, but may have no effect on that person's ability to live a daily life. The development of extreme leg pain may affect adults. I hope you enjoyed this overview of cerebral palsy, and thanks for watching.